Ladies and gentlemen, here comes another yummy series.
Hi, you guys. Thank you for stopping by. Today's recipe is how to make Nigerian fish roll. Fish roll is a popular snack in Nigeria. Please don't forget to like this video, share to your friends and families, and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you, and let's get started. First, I will prepare the fillings and I will be using mackerel fish. Feel free to use any fish of your choice. For the seasoning, I will go in with chopped onion, seasoning powder, garlic powder, fish spice, and salt. I will add water, cover, and allow it to cook. Once it's ready, I'm going to take it off and debone it. Be careful when deboning the fish because mackerel contains a lot of bones, especially if kids are going to be eating this. Once that is done, mash the fish with potato masher, or you can use food processor to roughly blend it. So I'm going to use my food processor to roughly blend it. Next, I will put everything together. And to my pan, I will go in with extra virgin olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Allow it to heat. I will go in with my roughly blended onion. Fry for 2 minutes. I will go in with scotch bonnet pepper for heat. Some aromas, spring onion. Then I will go in with my roughly blended fish. Stir to combine and allow it to fry for 5 minutes to reduce the excess water in the fish. That way it will taste even more better.
Delicious.
Once that is done, I will take it out and set it aside. Okay, my lovely people, the next step is to prepare the pastry for the fish roll. And for that, I've got 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Feel free to check the description box for measurements and the ingredients. To that, I'll go in with baking powder, sugar, pinch of salt, mix to combine. Then I'll go in with egg and butter.
Doctor's music. Let's go. Yummy, yummy.
Add water bit by bit until you achieve the right texture.
Delicious.
Once I achieve the right texture, I will go ahead and cut them into smaller pieces. That way it will be easy for me to work with them individually.
Delicious.
Next, I will roll out the dough. After rolling, I will go ahead and trim the edge of the dough and then add the fish filling. Brush the end of it with egg wash to enable it seal properly. I'm going to repeat the same process until I am done. At this stage, I have gone ahead to preheat my oven. Next, I will brush the fish rolls with egg wash and then transfer it to the oven and bake for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, our fish rolls is ready. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for your love and support. Please don't forget to like this video. Subscribe if you haven't. Thank you and always be positive. And see you in our next video. Bye guys.